Hello. In this video, I will be discussing journalizing, preparation of the ledger, and preparation of a trial balance. I will be using just a simple problem that's taken from the book of Balyada, page 162. This problem number 7. So since the problem is not provided with dates, so I'll just the one I gave, it's not dated. So I will just provide or assume some dates for us to be able to use it in the discussion. So for now, allow me to share my Excel documents for this purpose. Okay, so I have here a blank journal. So I made it appear just like a column journal, and then you have a ledger. So some ledgers here. I am using a three-column ledger, and I also have here the account. So the purpose is that for you to be able to differentiate the two, like how would you prepare the ledger using a three-column ledger, and then how are you going to prepare the account. And then also I have here space for the trial balance. Okay, so we will start. So this is the problem introduction. So on May 1, 2018, Jimeline Evangelista opened self-service laundry. During May, the following transactions were completed. So first, Evangelista deposited 250,000 in a bank account in the name of the business. Okay, so what should be our first entry? So first, let's place a date. So it's 2018, and then after that, um, we have the month, that's May, and the date, May 1. Then we'll now have our debit entry. So we'll start with, since it's a deposit to the bank, so it will have cash in bank. That's 250,000. So enter 0 for you to make sure that you are placing the correct figure in the correct column. So that's 250,000 because each of the column has a specific value. So you cannot just write from any of the columns. So 250,000. And then our credit is Evangelista. This is a capital investment. So or this is an investment. So we have Evangelista Capital, 250,000. So actually, you can just do this if you are familiar now with the columns. 250,000. And then after that, you'll have your explanation. So this is what you can say to record an initial investment, or you can simply say initial, ready kita as initial um, investment. Okay, so that is your explanation. Now, notice how I write the account titles and the explanation. Your debit account rather, your credit account title should be indented from your debit account title. At the same time, your explanation should also be indented from your credit account title. Okay, so observe the indentation. Supposing you would have two debits here, the debit should be aligned, and then before you'll have your indentation for your credit account title. Okay, and then we'll proceed to the next transaction. It's May 3. So May 3, bought chairs and table, paying cash 6,700. So our next entry is May 3. Now, when you write the next entry or enter the next entry, no, in the journal, you have to leave one space. So skip one space and then you start with your next entry. So this is May 3. And then the transaction is bought, chairs and table paying cash 6,700. So we'll have furniture and fixtures for 6,700. Sorry. 6,000, I forgot 700. Okay, and then you paid cash or the company paid cash. So it's a credit to cash in bank. Always remember you have to be consistent with the account title you are using. So if you're using cash in bank, so the next rather transaction that would involve cash should also be cash in bank. So 6,000 700. Okay. Then after that, you'll have your explanation. So indent, um, you can have it bought, um, chairs, and tables. Period. Okay. Then next we have May 5. That's May 5. So again, you skip one space. Then you have bought laundry supplies on account from Subic Supply Incorporated, 3,250. So it's supplies or laundry supplies. So we debit laundry supplies in the amount of 3,250. And then our credit is it's bought on account. So it's not paid. No? So our credit is accounts payable. 3,250. Okay, then our explanation. So and then from your credit account title, that would be um, bought laundry supplies on account. Okay, dayon, leave one space. We have May 10. The transaction is paid rent for the month, 5,750. So we debit rent expense, 5,750. Then we have paid cash. So it's cash, so credit cash in bank. That's 5,750. Then explanation is payment of rent. Okay, then we leave one space. Then we go to May 12. So the transaction is bought washing machines and dryers from Bataan Equipment Corporation, 115,000 paying 35,000 in cash and the balance is on account. Okay? So washing machines and dryers. So this is to be recorded as debito to laundry equipment. Then in the amount of 115,000. Okay, then our credits, we have two credits here because we made a down, or the company made a down payment. So a credit to cash, or cash in bank, sorry. Cash in bank of, how much is that? That is 35,000. Then another credit to accounts payable for the balance. So accounts payable is 115 minus 35, that is 80,000. Am I right? Okay. 180,000, rather 80,000. Then our explanation is, okay, bought laundry equipment and made on account, then made 35,000. I just adjust this one. It's a down payment. Okay, so that's May 12. Then we'll proceed to the next transaction. So skip one space rather, or leave one space. Then we proceed to May 16. So May 16 is revenues earned on cash basis for the first half of the month, 19,250. So this is a cash receipt, no? So cash collection. So we debit cash in bank for, how much is that? 19,250. And then our credit is laundry income of 19,250. Okay, then leave explanation. I almost forget. I'm sorry. So this is income for the first half of the month. Actually, the explanation can be derived from the transaction itself. Okay, then we have May 18. May 18 bought insurance for 1 year, 5,600. So this is an advance or a prepayment, no? So we will recognize the prepayment as an asset. So we debit prepaid insurance for 5,600. 5,600. Okay. Then we credit cash or cash in bank, 5,000. Kasi kalimot. 600. Then our explanation is payment for a 1 year insurance. Okay, then leave one space. Let's proceed to May 21. So May 21, rather 22. So paid accounts to Bataan Equipment Corporation, 7,000. So this is a payment of an account. So 22. So we debit accounts payable. Accounts payable for 7,000. 1, 2, 3. Then we credit cash in bank, 7,000. And our explanation is just a partial payment of an account. Okay, and then leave one space. Let's proceed to what is this? May 25. Sorry, 25. You only have to write the month once, no, in a page. You only have to write it again if you're going to the next page. So this is 25th of May. Receive unpaid electric bill 2080. So this is what utilities expense. So we debit utilities expense for 2080. So 2080. And then we credit cash in bank because it's receive unpaid, no? So cash in bank 2080. Then our explanation is a payment for utilities expense. Okay, then leave one space. Let's proceed to this is na May 31. So end of the month. First transaction is revenues earned on cash basis for the second half of the month is 12,350. So this is cash in bank. 12,350. Then we have laundry income of 12,250, 350. 12,350. Then our explanation is income for the second half of the month. Okay, you just get the explanation from the transaction given and the problem. Then leave one space. Another entry or another transaction for December, rather May 31 is paid salaries of the part-time assistant 7,400. So this is salaries expense. For 7,400. Then we credit cash in bank for 7,400. Then explanation is the record or this could be payment for of salaries. Payment for salaries expense. Then another transaction for May 31 is Evangelista withdrew cash for personal use 5,000. So this is Evangelista drawing or Evangelista personal 5,000. Then we credit cash in bank 5,000. Then our explanation is mm, withdrawal by owner. Then next, we have paid accounts to Subic Supply Incorporated 2,750. So we debit accounts payable. Mm, 2,750. So 2,750. Then we have cash in bank 2,750. So 2,750. Then our explanation is payment of an account. You may also place the name of the supplier, that's Subic Supply Incorporated. Okay, then the last transaction for the month is paid the city government for sidewalk repair assessment 2,800. So for this one, I will be using miscellaneous expenses. Okay, so debit miscellaneous because it's provided also in the problem. So miscellaneous expenses for 2,800. Then we credit cash in bank. You may use miscellaneous expenses if you are not sure what expense no or how you categorize the expense. So you can have miscellaneous expenses. So 2,800 for those payments that don't specify any account. So you may use miscellaneous expense. Okay, so we're done. So this is how you are to prepare the journal entries. So take note, though I'm using Excel, no, but I just had it appear like through journal. So if you notice, I no longer use the peso sign. I no longer use comma. I no longer use period because um in these columns are understood to be peso column. So there is no need nga you have to place those peso sign, comma and periods. Okay? And these columns also actually has specific values. So for example, this is peso column, this is tens column, and this is hundreds column, and so on. So if you look at this one, it's already understood that this is the amount. Okay? And then we're done with our journal entry. So after that, we now do the posting. So take note, while I was preparing the journal entries, I did not touch the folio column or your reference column. We will be using this one when we do na um, the posting, no? So when we transfer na the account here or the entries here to the ledgers, to their respective ledgers. Okay? So we now do the posting. So this is our ledger. So I already provided here the account title no taken from the koan the account in the journal. So I'll just um change this one into laundry income, and this one is laundry income because this is the account title I'm using in the journal entry. Okay, So let's start. Okay. So I have here the code. So I already provided the codes. So we'll be using this one when we do the posting na. Okay. So let's post our first entry. So you have a debit to cash in bank. So what I will do is that I will highlight the entries that are already posted in the journal so that um or it we could easily identify if there are some entries here not posted in the ledger. So I will highlight, then later on we'll just remove the highlights no after posting. So first we have cash in bank. So I will highlight this one, cash in bank. So this is understood to be posted na after highlighting. Okay, so 250,000. So what we will do is we'll look for the cash in bank ledger. Okay, so we have cash in bank ledger. We have it here. So what you will do is provide for the year, so 2018, and then provide for the month May 1. Okay, so our transaction from May 1 is what? An initial investment. So I need to explain here what what brings us the cash of 250,000. So this is what an initial investment. Okay. Then in the folio column, I will place here J dash 1. So this is understood to be journal page 1. And then I will enter the amount 250,000. Okay? Since I am using the running balance or the three a three column ledger, so I will be automatically getting the running balance. So 200 every time I post an entry, no? So 250,000. Okay? And then in the journal, I also have to place in the folio column, take note, I am posting it in ledger number 10. So this is now my code, no? Or account number. So in the journal, I will be also placing under the folio column L-10. So what does it mean? It means that this entry was transferred or was posted to ledger page 10, and that will be our cash in bank account or cash in bank ledger. I will be doing also the T account. So at the same time, I will be posting using the T account so that you would have a comparison on how we do the three column ledger and the T account. So this is same debit. So we'll have May 1. Okay, so 250,000. So this time we'll be using comma na. Okay, and then that's it. We're done. Then we move to our credit entry. So this is Evangelista Capital. Okay, so we will look now for the ledger Evangelista Capital. So this is from here, Evangelista Capital. Okay, this is the ledger now. So this is ledger number 31. So 2018. And then I also have here May 1. Okay. So no need for explanation because there is on capital lang yun na siya na if you're going to post here, it's always either initial investment or additional investment. So no need for any explanation. So since in the journal, this is a credit entry. In the ledger, you also have to post this on the credit column of the ledger. Okay? So post it here. It's 250. So kung credit siya dito, credit sa diri, 250. Then extend. So right away, get the balance, 250. Okay? And then I will place here L 1. So rather J dash 1. So meaning this was taken from journal page 1. And then in the journal, I will also be placing here the code. So it's 31, meaning ledger number 31. So in the journal, I will be also placing here L dash 31. Okay? The purpose is for us to cross-reference, no? So if I wanted to check whether this really was posted to L31, so I can readily go to uh, ledger number 31. So we can do cross-referencing. And then in the T account, I will also post here 250,000 credit column or credit side. So this is May 1. Ay, sorry. Okay. Format to text. Okay, so May 1. Then our next transaction is May 3. So this is furniture and fixtures. So look now for the furniture and fixtures account or ledger. So furniture and fixtures. Okay, so this is the one. So let's start with the date 2018 and then May. This is May 3. So no need for explanation, just post directly to this is debit here. So we will also post the amount to the debit side or debit column of the ledger. So it's how much? 6,700. Okay, so 6,700. Okay, and then forward, excuse me, forward to the balance column, 6,700. Okay, and then we are getting it from the same journal account, rather journal page, no? So J-1 lang gihapon. And then in the journal, this is ledger number 12. So in the journal, we'll have L number 12. So meaning this is was posted to um, L number 12 or ledger number 12. Then we have cash in bank credit. Okay, so we now go to your ledger, your cash ledger. And this time, this is a credit entry of 6,700. Okay, so credit 6,700. So in the ledger, we post it. This is what? Payment for furniture and fixtures. So payment for tables and chairs. So this is May 3. So May 3, then our explanation is payments or payment for tables and chairs. Okay, so taken from J for journal page 1, that is 6,700. So this is credit. So we'll have now our running balance. So let me compute the amount. You have 250,000 minus 6,700. So the balance should be 243,300. So this is 243,300. Okay. Then let me check if I was not able to post. I'll go back to furniture and fixtures because I was not able to post the entry in the T account. So this is May, I'm sorry, May 3, then 6,700. Okay. Okay, so we'll go back to our cash. Okay, so this is to 4,300. And then in the T account, I will also post it on the credit side, no, of the T account. That's the 6,000. 700. And this is May 3. Okay, so that's it. We'll now proceed to the May 5 transaction. So we have laundry supplies, 3,250. Okay, so I will post it to the laundry supplies account. So this is laundry supplies account. So again, start with your date. This is the first time you post an entry, no? So 2018. Sorry. What happened? Just have text. Then we have May. This is May 5. May 5. And then our was not able to post May 10. And our amount is 3,250. So 3,250. Okay, and then extend 3,250. And then also, this is coming from J, journal page 1. And then in your laundry supplies, the account, you will also have here an entry 5 of 3,250 debit. Okay, and then we have accounts payable 3,250. So look for, so asa ni gibalin ang laundry supplies? This is L number 15. Is it 15? Ano, 11? L number 11. Then our accounts payable. Okay, so look for accounts payable. Then again, enter the year. Then we have May. So this is May 5. Then we need to explain here. So this is bought laundry supplies on account. So pwede na sa laundry supplies or simply laundry supplies. Then it's a credit. How much? 3,250. 3,250. And then extend the amount. 3,250. Sorry. 250. Then post it on the T account. So we have 3,250. This is May 5. Okay. Then go to your ledger or other journal. So in that ledger, it has to be J1 still, no? Okay. It's coming from journal page 1. So we're done with our accounts payable. Then we proceed to the next, rent expense. Okay. So we have rent expense for 5,750. So by the way, where did we post this accounts payable? I forgot. So that's 21. This is L-21. For rent expense, so look for the rent expense account. Rent expense. Okay, we don't have yet. Okay, it's here. So rent expense is 54. So this is to be transferred to L 54. Okay, so 5,750. So again, start with the date, the year rather, then the month. And what date is that? 10. So this is May 10. Then no need for explanation. Then this is J, page 1. So rent expense is a debit, 5,750. So post it on the debit side, 5,750. Okay, and then extend to the balance column, 5,750. And then in your T account, you'll have May 10, then 5,750. Okay, so debit side. So that's for rent expense. Then we have cash in bank. So we transfer it to L10, di ba? It's ledger number 10 ang cash in bank. So L10, so proceed to your cash in bank ledger. Okay, so this is what? Payment of accounts payable. I'm sorry. Payment of rent expense. So in the ledger, you'll have here 10. Tayon, payment for rent. Then from J, page 1. So how much is that? 5,750. So proceed to your credit column. 5,750 because it's credit. Then get the balance. So we have 243,300 minus 5,750. So this is equal to 237, okay, 237,550. Okay, and then in your T account, you also enter 5,750 credit. This is May 10. Okay, and next we have laundry equipment, May 12. So look for your laundry equipment, furniture and fixtures. Okay, so there your laundry equipment. So this is from, or this is to be posted to L number 13. So L 13, 115,000. Okay, so debit. So this is a debit entry. So in your laundry equipment, we have 2018 date, May 12. 12. Then this is coming from journal page 1, 115,000. Then extend 115,000. Okay, and then also post it to your T account. So this is May 12, 115,000. Okay, then our next entry is cash in bank, 35,000 credit. So this is to be transferred to L, memorize na no, L10. Okay, then L10, 35,000. So go to your ledger number 10, cash in bank. So this is 12. Was it 12? Yeah. So 12 explanation is down payment for laundry equipment. sorry. Taken from journal page 1. That is 35,000. Am I right? I'm sorry. It's not from here. No, 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 no. Credit. 35,000. Okay, so it's 35,000. Then get the new balance. So 237,550 minus 35 35,000. So it's 202, 202,550. Okay, and then in your cash in bank T account, you also have to post it on the credit side, 35,000. That's May 12. Okay, then next is accounts payable, 80,000. So this is to be transferred to accounts payable. Look for accounts payable. Transferred to L21. So post here in the folio column L21. Okay, it's 80,000. So this is, what's the date? 12. Then laundry equipment from J1. So the amount is 80,000. Okay, then extend. So the balance now is 83,250. And then also enter in your T account, enter it on the credit side, 80,000. So this is May 12. Okay, and then go back to your journal. So we're done with May 12. We now proceed to May 16. So we have a debit to cash in bank. So this is to be transferred to L number 10. Okay, so go back to your cash in bank. This is what? A laundry income, debit. So cash, this is 16. So 16, May 16. This is laundry income. Okay, so debit, how much is that? 19,250. 19, asa na? This is from J-1. 19,250. So your new balance now is equal to 221,000. And then on your T account, or in your T account, you also post, this is May 16. 19,250. Okay. Then go back to journal, your journal. So you have it here, laundry income. So look for your laundry income ledger. So laundry income, it's here. So this is ledger number 41. So in the journal, you should have here L41. Okay. Then transferred it to 19 to 50. So this is 2018 May, I forgot the date. May 16. Okay. So laundry income is credit. So from J1, laundry income is credit 19,250. Then extend 19,250. Okay? And then in your T account, you also have to post here 19,250. Okay. May 16. Hmm. I need to format cell. So this is May 16. Okay. And then go back to your journal. So our next entry or transaction is on May 18. So this is prepaid insurance, 5,600. So prepaid insurance, we look for the prepaid insurance ledger. This is an asset, so it's here. Prepaid, we don't have prepaid insurance. Okay, so I'll just provide, um, how are we going to do it? We'll just copy this one. Copy. Okay. So we'll just make it as, guba na siya. Okay. So laundry supplies, and then this one will make it, sorry, prepaid insurance. Let's check. It's prepaid insurance. Okay, I forgot to. Wala di ay siya. Prepaid insurance. So this is now, and this is prepaid insurance. Sorry, I need to change the code, no? So this is 11. This is 12. This is now 13. This is 14. This is 15. So there are changes to be made in the coding. So since nag-change ta, we'll check our journal, no? So our furniture and fixtures now, sorry, will be 14. So this one is L 14. And then our laundry supplies will now be 12. Um, then our laundry equipment will now be 15. Okay, so I think that's all. So we go back to your prepaid insurance. So we have now our prepaid insurance account. So this is May, what is that? May 18, 5,600. So this is 18. Then from journal page 1, and how much? 5,600. So this is 5,600. And then extend 5,600. Okay, and then this is May 16, and that is 5,600. Okay, so then we have a credit to cash in bank. So this is forwarded to prepaid insurance L11. Okay, then your cash in bank 5,600 credit. So proceed to cash in bank. So this is L-10 5,600. So this is what payment of insurance, prepayment of insurance. So our date is 18. Prepayment of insurance expense. This is J1. Journal page 1 lang yapon ta. And that is how much? 5,600. So credit column 5,600. So our new balance have 221,000. That is 221,800 minus 56 is equal to 216,200. Okay, and then in your cash in bank T account, you also have to post here 5,600 credit. This is May 18. Okay, and then next is 22. We're almost done. 22, we have September 22 accounts, rather May 22 accounts payable. So look for accounts payable. This is 22. And what is this? This is what? A payment. Okay. So payment, accounts payable 7,000. So accounts payable account this time, this is payment. So this is J1 still. And since this is a payment, it is be posted on the debit side. Diba? So your balance now will be 83,250 minus 7,000. So your balance is 76,250. Okay? And then in your accounts payable the account, you should also have here May 22. And that is 7,000. Okay? Then we have, this is what transferred to L21. So L number 21. And then we'll have cash in bank. So kabaw na ta, it's L-10. Okay, so go to your cash in bank ledger. This is 22. 22 ba? Yeah. 22 payment of account. And this is J1. So payment of account, that is 7,000. So you've got now your new balance of how much? 216,200 minus 7,000. 209, 209, 200. Okay? And then in the T account, you should have a credit of 7,000. And that would be May 22. Okay? So we're done with May 22 transaction. We now proceed to May 25. we have utilities expense. So, check on utilities expense. Ano ba tayo utilities? Hope we're able to provide. Okay. So, we have utilities expense ledger. This is L52. So, butang sa tadaan. So, this is L-52. Okay. Then, in the ledger, we'll have 2018. This is May. What is the date? Okay, May 25. Then, no need for explanation. This is from J1. So, it's a debit to how much? 2080. So, 20,080. Okay, so extend 20,080. And in your utilities account, you also have to post your May 25 and then 20,080. Okay, then your credit is cash in bank. So this is to be transferred to L-10 or to be posted to ledger number 10. That's cash ledger. So 2080. Go to your cash ledger. This is 25 and that's payment for utilities. The payment of utilities expense from J1 and that's how much? 2080. Credit 20,080. So how much now is the balance? 2,200 minus 2,080 and that is equal to 207. 207,120. Okay, and then on the T account or in the T account we will post 2,080 on the credit side, May 25. Okay, then go back to your journal. So next we have the last date, no, that's 31. So our first one is cash in bank. So this is L number 10, 12,350. So proceed to your cash in bank account. 31. This is J1. How much is that? It's 12,350 debit. So post it on the debit side. 12,350. So plus 12,350. Your cash balance now is 219. So 219 470. Okay, and then on the T account cash, this is May 31. Debit side, you have 12,350. Okay, then go back to your journal. We have laundry income. So we'll check what ledger number is laundry income. So we have ledger number 41. Okay, so in the journal, you should have L41. Okay, and then 12,350. So this is 31. Diretso na J-1. I'm sorry, 50. Okay, and then the new balance is that's 19 to 50 plus 12,350. So that is equal to 31,600. Okay? And then in your laundry income tea account, you should post there 12,350. May, so this is May 31. Okay, then go back to your journal. So we're done with these transactions. We now proceed to salaries expense. So we have 7,400 salaries expense. So this should be posted to L51. Okay, so this is L-51. Okay, so salaries expense 7,400. So 2018, this is May 31 from J-1. So you have 7,400 debit. Extend 7,400 debit. Okay, and then in your salaries expense, the account is a debit May 31, 7,100. Okay, and then in your next entry is cash in bank credit. So this is L-10. I'll just highlight this one. So proceed to your cash in bank ledger. So this is payment. What's this payment for? Payment for salary 7,400. Sorry, this is income. This one is payment for salaries from J1. Then credit. How much is that? 7,400. Okay. So 7,400. Ah, sorry. 7,400. Okay, and then the running balance is 219,470. 219,470 plus 7,400. So you have 226,870. 226,870. And then in the T account, you also have to enter 7,400 on the credit side. So May 31. Okay, so that's it. And then another entry, drawing. So Evangelista drawing 5,000. So we'll look for the drawing account. Evangelista drawing is number 32, journal number 32. This is ledger number 32. Okay, and then it's 5,000. So 2018, then May 31. So Evangelista drawing from J-1, then debit 5,000. Extend to the balance column 5,000. Okay? And then in the T account, you should have here May 31 debit of 5,000. Okay, then you have credit cash in bank. So this is to be transferred to L-10. Okay, so go to your cash ledger. Pit na tapuno. So, drawing from J-1, debit, it's 5,000. Nakalimot. Then, extend, so minus 5,000, so this now 2, 2, 1, 870. Hope we do not committed error no in preparing in getting the balance rather. I'm not using calculator na. So in the T account, you post 5,000. May 31. So we'll just provide siguro or adjust no or insert puno na. Okay, and then we have accounts payable. So debit. So proceed to your accounts payable. Accounts payable ledger. So we have L number 10. I'm sorry. L number 21 pala. So L 21. Okay, and then in the ledger, 2750. So this is what? This is a payment, 2750. So this is 31 payment from J-1. How much is that? 2,750. 2,750. So we have a new balance. That is 76 250 minus 2750. So that's equal to 73,735,500. Okay, and then in the accounts payable the account, we'll have May 31 here. Then 2,750. Okay, and then cash in bank. So this is L10 2,750. So cash in bank, this is taken from J1. How much? 2,750. So 2,750. And the new balance is 221,870 minus 2,750. That is 219,120. 219,120. Okay? And then in the cash and bank day account, you'll have a credit of 2,750. May 31. Okay? And we'll have the last. We need to provide more space. So, ano lang. For a while. Okay, I'm done. So, last entry, we have miscellaneous expense. We don't have ano pa for miscellaneous expense. Okay, so we will provide for um, miscellaneous expense. We'll just copy this one. Okay, so we'll make it miscellaneous expense. This one also is miscellaneous. Okay, and then 2018, this is 31. From J1, how much is that? 2,800. So 2,800 extend 2,800. Okay, and then this is May 31. Amount is 2,800. Okay, and then our last is cash. We're done. So cash in bank, this is from L number 10. L number 10. And this one is L number 55. So L number 55. Okay, and then post it to your cash. This is how much? 2,800. Okay, go back to your cash miscellaneous expense. This is payment of account. So J1 miscellaneous expense of 2,800. 2,800. So our new balance now minus 2,800 is equal to 2,16320. 2,16320. Okay, and then on the account, so you should post there on the credit side 2,800. The May 31 still. Okay, so we're done. We're done posting to the ledgers. Now for the three column ledger, um, actually what we do next is we need to foot the account and get the balance. But for the three column ledgers, there's no need for us to foot and get the balance because what we have here are running balances. So we just highlight the running balances or the balances. Okay, so for cash, we have 2016 320. For prepaid insurance, we only have one entry, 56. For supplies, laundry supplies, we also have one entry, 3250. Then for furniture and fixtures, we have one entry, 67. For laundry equipment, we have one entry, 115,000. Then for accounts payable, we have a balance of 73,500. And then for capital, we have 250,000. Then for Evangelista drawing, we have 5,000. Then we have laundry income, a balance of 31,600. Then seller's expense is 7,400. Then we have utilities expense for 22,080. Then we have taxes and licenses. We don't have taxes and licenses, so we just remove this one. Okay, so then we have rent expense 5,750 and miscellaneous expense of 2,800. Okay, so with this, we are now ready to prepare the trial balance. But before that, we'll have our T account. Now, for the T account, what we need is we need to foot. Footing is getting the total of each column. So for the cash in bank, you have total debit is equal to 281,000. Then the total credit is equal to 80,000. I hope we get the correct figure here. So balance should be equals to this one minus this one. Oh, we don't get the correct amount. 250. So this is 19,250. This is 12,350. Then 6, 7, 5, 750, 35, 5, 6, 7, 2,080, 7, 4, 5,000, 2, 750, and 2, 8. So I think the problem lies here. Okay. So let's check for our running balances. Basin natin sayop. So we have 250,000 minus 6,700, 243,300 minus 5,750. We have 237,550 minus 35,000. We have 202,550 plus 19,250. So we have dali na. This is 204. We committed an error here. 204,475. And here, sayop na siya. So minus 5,600. So this is equal to 198. 198, 875. And then for this next is minus 7,000. That is 191, 875. And then for the next one, minus 2080 minus 2080. That is equal to 189. This is 189,795. And then this one we add plus 12,350. So you have 202, 02, 145. I think we got an error here. We have 250, 19, 250, 12, 350. Then 6, 7, 5, 7, 35, 5, 6, 7, 280, 7, 4, 5,000, 2, 750, 2, 8, 880. What happened to us? Okay. So I think I have a problem with my computation here. So I'll just clear it out para sigurado. So we have 250,000 minus 6,700. So we have 2, 4, for 300. Okay, and then minus 5,750. So this is equal to 2,750. And then minus 35,000. This is 202, 5, 5, I'm sorry, 550. Then we add 19 to 50 plus 19 to 50. That is equal to 221,221,800. Then deduct 5,600 minus 5,600. That is equal to 216,200. Then minus 7,000. 209,200. And then minus 2080. That's 207,07,120. And then plus 12,350. That's equal to 219,470. Then we deduct 7,400. That is equal to 212,070. Then we deduct 5,000. That is equal to 207,070. Then we deduct 2,750. That is equal to 204,320. Then minus 2,800. Okay, so we got the same figure. So you have 201,520. Okay, so dito pwede masayop. So we have 201,520 here. So we have now an equal amount. Okay, so get the total, the balancing amount, or the figure, no? Total debit, total credit, and get the difference. So you have a debit balance for cash of 201,520. Then for this one, no need to, because there's only one entry. Okay, this one. So this is equal to, so put, okay, so I have total debit of 9,750. Then this is equal to 83,250. So get the difference. Credit column must say the higher amount. So you place the balance here. So this is equal to minus this one. 73,500. So we have the same amount. So we have the same amount in a 3-column ledger. Then one entry. Then here you have 2 entries on the credit side. So I just get the total. Equal sum. Okay, so 31,600 should have the same amount. 31,600. Then one entry, one entry, one entry. Okay, so we are ready now to prepare the trial balance. So in your trial balance, first you'll have your heading. So we have self-service laundry. Self-service laundry. Then this is unadjusted and adjusted trial balance. Then this is May 31, 2018. Okay, so just do some adjustment. So what you will do is just copy the account titles and then their balances. Observe debit and credit. So if it's a debit balance here, like for example, we have first item is cash. So we have cash. So our first account is cash. So this is cash in bank. So this is a debit of 201,520. So 201,520. Sorry, I did not follow Excel because I need to have it appear like a journal. Okay. So cash in bank debit, and after that we'll have prepaid insurance debit. So this is number 11, code prepaid insurance debit of 5,600. So 5,600. Then next ledger is laundry supplies number 12. So this is 12, laundry supplies. The balance is 3,250. 3,250. Then we have next is furniture and fixtures. This is ledger number 14. July 15. We have laundry supplies is 12. Diretso 14. Furniture and fixtures of how much? We have 6,700. 6,700. Then we have laundry equipment. This is 15. So laundry, how much? We have 115,000. Okay, and then after that we'll have accounts payable 73,500 credit. This is number 21. Accounts payable credit of 73,500. So this is 73,500. Then we have Evangelista Capital 250,000. So this is number 31. Evangelista Capital of 250,000. So 2,500. Okay. And then after that, we have Evangelista Drawing 5,000. This is, I think, 41, 32. Um, Evangelista Drawing Debit 5,000. 5,000. Then after that, you have laundry income, 31,600 credit. This is 41. Laundry income, 31,600 credit. 31,600. Sana walang error. Then after that, we have salaries expense, 51. Salaries expense, debit, 7,400. So debit side or debit column, 7,400. Then after that, for salaries, we have utilities expense. This is 52. What was that? Utilities expense, 2,080. Debit, 2,080. Then after utilities expense, we have rent expense, 5,750. Debit, this is 54. Rent expense, 5,750. Debit. 5,750. Sorry. Okay, then we have miscellaneous expense. This is 55. That is 2,800. Okay, so we're up to our last account title. So after that, we get the total. We'll just hope now we'll get an equal amount or a balancing figure. So what you will do here is single rule, meaning you're done. This is the last item. Mm, I'll have a different figure or color. So the single rule. Okay, then get the total. Again, hope makakuha ta sa ko nga total. May problema. Okay, so we get the total. You'll have 201,520 plus 5,600 plus 3,250 plus 6,700 plus 115,000 plus 5,000 plus 7,400 plus 2,080 plus 5,750 plus 2,800. Okay, so we have an amount of 349. Crossing fingers, we'll get the same amount, 925. We'll try this one. Our credit column, 73,500 plus 250. We don't have the same amount. I will repeat. I will repeat the debit column. So plus 250 plus 31,600. So we have 355,100. Sorry, I need to. I don't have my. Okay. So this is 355,100. So we don't get. I will compute the other column again. 100. So I repeat 21520. I'll just encode it here. 201,520. This is easy for me to get the to get the then 5600. Then we have 3250. Then we have 6700. Then we have 115. Then we have 5000. 7400. We have 22080. We have 5750. Then we have 2800. I hope I can get the right amount. 355,100. Okay. So we got, I just siguro committed an error in adding 355,100. Okay. So we have an equal amount. So we get the balancing amount. Okay. So meaning, uh, we're able to post it right. We were able to make our journal entries right, and then our posting. Okay. So be happy if we're able to get the balancing amount. So after that, double rule. So meaning you're done with your work. Happen. Okay, so I'll just use this one. So double rolling. Okay, so we're happy. We're able to get an equal figure in our trial balance or unadjusted trial balance. Okay, so that's how you do your journal entries or journalizing, and then your posting in the ledgers, and then after that, the trial balance. We're done.